What pizza? The pizza I freaking ordered. This is a McDonald's. What the frick? What's with all that yelling? It's Julian because we're telling him we don't have Pizza Hut pizza. Burn it and share it. Pizza! So we don't sell Pizza Hut pizza here! How stupid can you be? You're one to talk! Bruh, shut the frick up right now. Shiver me freaking timbers! You know my everlasting news, bro. I said, who do you think you're talking to?